a fertile soil with evergreen mountains and the surging sea. Ningbo Haijiang Machinery Manufacturing Company Limited is located in Ningbo. That is the place where Haijiang stands. Strength to highlight the new products. Since its establishment in 1992, Haijiang has always been determined to forge ahead with the innovative trend. With years of industry experience and never-stopping development pace, insisted on making a voice by the product quality, winning trust with the quality. As a high-tech enterprise specializing in the production of injection molding machine, Haijiang mainly produces dozens of specifications plastic injection molding machine with injection volume of 45 to 40,000 grams, clamping force of 200 to 30,000 kilonewton. The unique color process is the leading model of high quality in the industry. The company produces BMC bakelite injection molding machine series, LED bulb blowing and injection machine, clear color, mixed color, and other characteristics of the model, which not only reflects the company's R&D production capacity, but also brings a new experience to the whole industry. First-class products sold overseas, committed to scientific and technological innovation and brand adherence. We continue to create Haijiang's brand influence. The company uses advanced equipment and technology with scientific management, introducing high-precision automatic CNC machine tools, machining centers, configuring imported electrical, hydraulic components, which greatly improves the accuracy and stability of the complete machine. Various types of products are widely used in industrial, electronics, automotive, civilian, and other industries. There are 48 domestic distribution agents and overseas 5 major distributors, including the United States, Russia, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Algeria, which make Haijiang famous in the world. Standardize the production, strictly control the quality. Haijiang has been using credibility and quality to create industry standards. The company uses advanced equipment and technology with scientific management, introducing high-precision automatic CNC machine tools, machining centers, grinder, and configuring imported electrical, hydraulic components, which greatly improves the accuracy and stability of the machine. Haijiang also provides customized services in special models to meet the different needs of customers. There are standardized production workshop, orderly production process, strict testing mechanism, which witnessed Haijiang product bit by bit, molding and adheres to the quality of the benchmark. There are also modern factories, high-precision CNC production equipment, and the most advanced means of detection. In every detail, we strive for perfection. Talent escort, cast a brand. Mastering more talents in order to have a better future. Therefore, Haijiang widely recruits professional and technical talent. With excellent quality, professional skills, innovative thinking, broad pattern. For the development of Haijiang, filled with fresh blood, there are not only skilled workers fighting in the first line over 10 years, but also the new generation of talents bravely innovating PROE, CAD, and other 3D design technology. From design of product prototype to the precision prediction of functional effects, they are strictly controlled. Products won the ISO 9001, CE, and other authoritative testing and certification. Excellent quality, only for your trust. Consider its service, winning the praise. Committed to product quality for its lifeline of long-term development, Haijiang pursues customer satisfaction as its operating principle and beyond customers' expectations as its purpose, focusing on the pursuit of quality, performance, function improvement, and research and development of injection molding machine. Move forward, or you'll fall behind, is motto of company's business, production, and sales. Remembering the courage to stand in the market peak and the solution of customer worries. Haijiang regards the management philosophy of unique and quality as its long-term development requirements and implementation of standards. Haijiang has always deemed the needs of customers as the development of the source and deliver quality products to each customer's hand. Make good quality products with friends at home and abroad going forward hand in hand and create brilliant, quality established credit and stick to integrity for your escort. High-quality injection molding machine by Ningbo Haijiang Machinery Manufacturing Company Limited.